For this example, we are graphing linear inequalities in two variables still, although there's only one variable here. So this is kind of weird. We're graphing in two variables, so we want to shade the region on the plane here, but we only have one variable to work with. So this comes up from time to time. Remember that anything of the form y equals c is a horizontal line. Okay. And if it was x equals c, where this is some constant, like 5 or 2 or whatever, x equals c is a vertical line. Again, for any constant, 10 million, vertical line. Okay, so in this case, all right, we have this equal to sign here, so that tells us we're going to be a solid line rather than dashed. And it's just going to be a horizontal line, left and right, going through the point y equals 2. So here's y equals 2, and here is our nice horizontal solid line. And in this case, a less than or equal to is going to be shade down. And a greater than or equal to is going to be shade not down, but up. Okay, so here we go. This is a less than or equal to, so we shade down. Let's try another one. In this example, we have x greater than -3. Okay, so again, we're working in two variables. I'll put that in quotes, in two variables. Right, in one variable, this would just be, a shaded region on a number line, like we've done in the past. But here we have two variables, x greater than -3. So we're shading on a plane here, so it's a kind of a strange situation. Remember, anything of the form x equals c is a vertical line. Vertical line. So that includes x equals -3. Now, since there's no equals under the inequality, nothing here, that means it's a dashed line to show that we're not including the points on the line. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do our vertical line that goes through x equals -3. So there's x equals -3. It's a vertical line. It's dashed. Okay. And then if it's greater than, we shade to the right. And if it's less than, we shade to the left. And of course, this also holds for greater than or equal to, and this holds for less than or equal to. Okay, so this is x greater than -3, so we're going to shade off to the right. All right, something like that. And just to remind you of the analogous case, if we were doing this in one variable, right, -3, it would just be a number line like so. And it would look something like this. We'd have 0, so here's -3 down here. And then we would do maybe an open circle and then shade it off to the right. Right, so something like this. Okay, and the open circle is analogous to the dashed line here. If it was a closed circle, because we included -3, we would do a solid line here in the two-dimensional version.